We often think because our mental states can be quite overwhelming at times, can't they? So it feels, for such a complex and overwhelming problem, we need to have really complex solutions, you know? Or we might go to the doctor and think something is wrong with me. But is there something wrong with you? Someone quite wise I met recently used this analogy of a cork. And he said, you know, just the fundamental nature of the cork is to float, right? So when you see a cork that's submerged, something's not right, is it? Something's in the way. Something is pushing the cork down. So instead of looking at, oh, what's wrong with the cork, how can I fix the cork, more like let go of what's causing the cork to sink. So, you know, in terms of us always thinking something is wrong with me, maybe look at what's oppressing me, what's creating that sense of me losing that kind of sense of well-being.